Welcome back to my channel. My name is Camilla and I usually make travel videos here on YouTube, but during the pandemic I've been focusing more on New York City. I've been taking you guys along New York and showing you a lot of different apartments that are available during the pandemic. I've showed you our apartment tour. Today is part 2 of an interior decorating series that I did here on my channel. In the first episode I was taking you guys around New York City and showing you what stores I went to, showing you the planning, the process of decorating a whole apartment from scratch to finish. And in today's video you will see the all before and after, and yeah, I will show you the whole apartment and take you around. So let's get started. So we are currently on the 10th floor in a luxury apartment here in Financial District. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment and it's 1,050 square feet. When my friend moved in here, this apartment was completely empty. There was no furniture. So yeah, I had to do everything from scratch. This is kind of my first time decorating a whole apartment. I've done rooms before, but I wanted to document and show you guys everything and how everything looks like. I'm excited to show you. Here in the hallway. This corner is just a simple entryway corner just because during COVID we all need the hand sanitizer and just a candle to make you smell good when you walk in. It's all about the energy, you know that. I actually made this table. I just bought this wood from Home Depot and I ordered these legs on Amazon and I screwed it together, and then a little mirror here to make sure that you look good before you go out. And then we have this long hallway going into the apartment. I wanted to hang like 3 statement pictures here. I took these pictures and then I just framed them and got these frames from IKEA. And this carpet, I think we got it from Wayfair. And I will also link everything down below as we go. So whatever you want will be linked below on my Amazon page. So in this apartment, as I said, it's a luxury building. So it comes with washer dryer. The fanciest washer dryer I've ever used. I used it when I clean all the towels and the sheets when I bought them new. And then here, he's lucky to have a massive closet for shoes and jackets. I just installed a little shoe rack so he could have some more space for his shoes. And now I will show you the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, and he's really lucky to have a really well-lit kitchen and apartment in general. His windows are south-facing, and you can see the Hudson right from there, and it's incredible light coming in through the apartment, so that helps a lot. For the kitchen, again, there was nothing here, so we needed to add a carpet to the kitchen, and this one I also got on Amazon. No, I got this one on Home Depot. I'll link it below. And then some more pictures I took. Yeah, I took these at home in our apartment and then I just framed them. There was nothing in this apartment, as I said. There was no glasses, no plates, no nothing. So I had to buy everything new. These were from IKEA, and then I got these really cute containers from Amazon. I actually had to buy them for us as well. So we have them in our apartment, and then I just put a label maker here and wrote everything on, so it shows what it is. I just added a few more plants because I love an exposed shelving, but you need to have it neat to be able to look nice and not cluttered. My tips is not over decorating these places, but make it make sense basically. Here we got some nice hand lotion and soap, and then we got a Jamie Oliver book here on display so he can have some inspo whenever he has time to cook. I'm not sure if that's often or not. And over here is just a little cute utensil holder, and we got everything in wood to make it more sustainable, and it looks good with a kitchen that is pretty dark and masculine, so this just makes it a little nicer. How good are these containers? I'll make sure to link them below as well. They come in a set of 5 and I really love them, so yeah, highly recommend these. And now I can show you the dining area. thing that was actually in this apartment that you can't remove is this built-in table and built-in couch. It comes in all the apartments in this whole building, they all have it. I'm not sure why they would do that, but that's just how the building is. So I had to work around that. I was lucky enough to find these chairs and they are super comfortable. They are from Macy's and they're really durable, and if you spill something while you're eating, it's totally fine. You can wipe that off, no problem. Here we just got some table mats from IKEA and some plates and everything. These ones are from Bed Bath & Beyond, and they just add a little bit to when you have guests over. It makes you look fancy, you know? This vase I got from West Elm, and I love it. I want it in our apartment too, but yeah, I decided he can have it. Here, another DIY I did for this apartment. I filmed the whole process. If I didn't show you in the last one, I'll insert a clip of me making it here. It's basically just a canvas board, and then you put a bunch of dry compound on it and make some patterns. Really easy, and it's minimalist and it fits in, right? And then moving over to his workstation. This desk he had from before, and you can actually adjust this desk up and down, and I love that this color was the same color as the dining table, so I was lucky that this fit in with the rest of the apartment. And as I said, he works a lot and he works from home, so yeah, he needed a good workstation. As you saw in our apartment, we have these phone holders that are genius for iPads and for your phone. And I put up a little clock so he can make sure to make it for all his meetings. And then a little board, and I think he hasn't used it yet. I think he keeps it on his computer.
Yeah, I think he has a calendar app on his phone.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he does.
Yeah.
So I don't blame him. It adds some character to his face though.
Yeah.
Another thing we got was this computer stand, and that was also from Amazon that I'll link below. So this chair is a really good ergonomic chair, and since he's working from home, he needed something that was really good quality, and this does the job. And now let me take you to the living room. So this is the living room, and that is what took the longest, just because during the pandemic there was like 5 and 4 months wait for getting a couch, getting a TV console. Everything was delayed and back ordered. So we had to wait for a while for that. But eventually things started to clear up and we were able to get most of the stuff. So now everything is here. I can start with the carpet. I got it from West Elm and it's really good quality. And then we got this table from Wayfair, and it looks like marble, but it's not. If you get a real marble table, it's a lot of money. So this one was a good dupe. So this couch we got from Article, and I love Article for couches and coffee tables and dining tables, and they have a lot of great furniture, and I actually think the store is Canadian. You should check them out. They have a lot of great stuff. Above the couch we have 2 pictures that I made and another DIY where I just painted on a big canvas and framed it in some IKEA frames. On this table we just have a little fake plant from IKEA. Over on this side of the living room we added 2 chairs from, I think it was Collective Goods or something. I'll link them below, but they're really beautiful and great quality. Yeah, very happy about them. I added a little mirror on the wall from Target, and another fake plant from IKEA, and a basket from Marshalls. Moving over here, we got this arched gold lamp from Home Depot. So because my friend travels a lot, he could not have real plants in the apartment. It would just be too hard to maintain. So these plants from IKEA is a great alternative. And IKEA actually now has some great fake plants like the fig leaf, the monstera, and this is a hard plant to keep alive. Moving over here is the iconic IKEA glass shelves. Any Pinterest board you'll probably see them, but they are just great and they're very affordable for a bookcase this big. We have some of his books, some plants, and again some good smelling candles. Moving over to this console table, we actually had to set this up together, and I think it took almost a whole day. It was incredibly hard, and I'm showing you a time lapse here, but that time lapse was like on for 3 hours. It doesn't look like a lot, but it was hard. And then it has some lights under it in the back when it gets dark. It looks really nice. And then another one of the IKEA bookshelf that we just decorated with some small decorations with some small things. We have this little globe from Marshalls. They have great like little knick-knack that fits in bookshelves. And then these baskets are from IKEA as well. They come in like 3 different sizes and they're great to just store random stuff in that you don't want to have on display. And now I'll show you the closet, the bathroom, and end it with the bedroom. So this is the little hallway area that leads to the closet in here. It's actually a walk-in closet. And then the bathroom is over there, and another big closet here, and over there is the bedroom that I'll take you to eventually. If you want to be more private, you can actually close the whole door to the whole apartment, and I'm letting you guys in now, so you can see. I will show you the closet. It's a walk-in, or is it a walk-in? I mean,
yeah.
Can walk in it,
yeah,
so.
it's a walk-in.
This is such a great closet. If I had this, I would be incredibly happy. Yeah, I just put a little floor mat down to, you know, when you get dressed and you're barefoot, it feels good to stand on something soft. Everything was color coordinated, but as I said, he's a busy man and gets most of his stuff dry cleaned. And then now I will show you the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. It's a great sized bathroom. This toilet is incredible. It's a smart toilet. So when you walk up to it really closely, it opens up by itself. So it's an amazing toilet and it does everything for you. In here in the bathroom, again, just some more fake plants because keeping real plants alive in the bathroom is really hard. And then here just some fresh clean towels, and this basket is again from Marshalls, but they have similar ones at Amazon. And then just a bath mat from IKEA. And another basket from Marshalls with more clean towels. And then I got this wooden stool in the shower. It's a massive shower. And then I got these. We have them at home as well, but these are plastics. If they fall, they're plastics, they won't break. In our apartment, we have the glass one. They come in glass as well. But yeah, it's just way better to have plastic in the shower so you don't cock yourself. He also has a great mirror like that lights up your face perfectly, and then all these are behind these mirrors are cabinets as well, so that creates way more space, and below is a lot of storage as well. And now let me show you the finale, the bedroom. So in this bedroom, the only thing he had in this bedroom when he moved in was the bed. That bed used to be completely black and it was like a leather finish on it. And so what I did instead of buying a whole new bed is that I just reupholstered it. I went to Mood and I went to the furniture section and I got the biggest yards of fabric and I reupholstered the whole bed, and I have to say it turned out pretty good. I will show you detailed shots of it as well. And then I showed you in the first episode how it looked like when I was doing this whole process, because it took a while and it was pretty hard, I'm not gonna lie, but it turned out great. So over here is the dresser that actually you helped me put up. I have footage of that as well. This mirror is from Marshalls as well, and some of these things are from Amazon and Marshalls, and then more of the little baskets that we got from IKEA, and this menswear book that I got from Barnes & Noble. It's actually really pretty. If you need inspiration before you go to PhD, you know. Okay, so over here on this side, I added a carpet, and this carpet is from Home Depot. They actually have a lot of great carpets. I also added this throw blanket is from Amazon. I got this one from Wayfair, and it actually came fully reassembled, so I didn't have to do anything. And it has storage under here, so you can store like extra duvets, extra pillows, which is great. And you can sit on it to get ready in the morning. And next to the bed, we didn't have room for any big nice tables, so we just got these small ones from Wayfair or Amazon, I don't remember. And then these night lamps are from Target. So over here, I just added a gallery wall, and I didn't want to do black and white because that would have been too muted for this room because it's so airy and white. So I wanted to add some color just to make it pop a little bit. And these are just some pictures I've taken of travels and here in New York. And then I took these other pictures in Puerto Rico, and he's actually from Puerto Rico, so I thought it was perfect. This street is one of the main streets in San Juan, and we have hanged out here a few times. I like it a lot. And then, yeah, another beach in Puerto Rico and a palm tree in Puerto Rico and more of New York. Moving over here is, again, the Hobbit mirror from IKEA that we all have. We even have 2 in our apartment. It's just a great full-length mirror for a great price. This chair he actually already had. And then another fake plant from IKEA and a basket from Marshall's. This lamp is from West Elm and I love it, and I love the marble finish at the bottom. Okay, so that is it, guys. That was the full apartment, and I really hope you enjoyed the before and after. I certainly enjoyed decorating this apartment. I had a lot of fun. I'm really curious to hear what you guys have to say. Let me know in the comments below. If anyone you know needs help, just send me an email or let me know below. I'm happy to help. With all that said, I will see you guys in the next video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already done that. Ring the bell notification above. It lets you know when I upload my next video, and it actually really helps the algorithm. And then hit the like button if you liked it. Let me know if you didn't like it. I'm open. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!